Hi there, students. To merit. A merit, both a verb and a noun. Meritorious, an adjective. So to merit, to deserve, to be worthy of, to earn a reward or a punishment. All of your hard work merits recognition. Promotion at work should be on merit, not according to who your friends are. But that's how the world works. So, merit, an appropriate award or punishment as a result of good or bad performance, or good or bad work, or a good or a bad action. Your success merits a celebration. Let's open the champagne. You merit a detention for not doing your homework once again. So, as a noun, a merit, a good quality, a good point. This essay has the merit of explaining the ideas very clearly. The only merit of that film was that it was short. You should judge this case on its merits, on what it deserves, on its good points. So a merit, a mark or a token to recognize excellence. The teacher gave me a star, she gave me a merit. And me, I got a demerit at school for bad behaviour. So a demerit, the opposite. This work is meritorious of recognition. It deserves. It is meritorious work. It's deserving. So to merit, to deserve, you merit a promotion at work because you've been doing such good work and your results are so good. A merit, a good feature. This job has its merits. It pays well. To merit, deserving of praise or recognition. He has the merit of being honest. Then there was another word I thought of, a meritocracy. So a meritocracy is a society where the people who rule, who make the decisions, are chosen by their merit. So the power, you have power according to your abilities. So you have the people with the most abilities ruling the system. Yeah, and that might be quite good. So, to merit, to deserve, to earn, to warrant, to rate. A merit, a strong point, an advantage, a value, a benefit. So, merit. What about formality? I'd give this a 5 in formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation and in a very formal work. Notice, to merit is a regular verb. He merited the promotion. He has merited the success that he has earned. And what about origin? Well, in Latin we have a word meritium or meritum, meaning your due reward, what you deserve. So, to merit, to deserve, a merit, a good point. So there we go. I'm sure this video merits a rating. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Merit. Meritorious meritocracy.